Tanya, which subjects did you appear for?
English and general test.
And how was the difficulty level of English and GT?
It was a little difficult, but not much.
Okay. And you're from which board?
CBSE.
CPSC. If you compare the questions with CPSC, difficulty level was same or?
As per CUET, the papers I have given right now, it was a little tougher.
And which topics had maximum questions in English and GT
Synonyms.
and general knowledge?
It was more about like the maths and
Which college or university you are looking for and which course you want to take admission?
the course I want is BBA and the college I am looking for is GD Goenka.
GT Goenka. Okay, great. And were there any technical glitch also in the exam?
No.
आपके कौन कौन से सब्जेक्ट का एग्ज़ाम था आज?
आज मेरा इंग्लिश और जीटी का था।
जीटी का था। इंग्लिश का एग्ज़ाम कैसा था? टफ था?
इंग्लिश का एग्ज़ाम तो आसान था, बट मेरी इतनी तैयारी पहले से नहीं हुई थी और कहीं जाना भी पड़ गया था तो उसके चक्कर में।
और जनरल टेस्ट कैसा गया?
जनरल टेस्ट तो जितना पढ़ा था उसके ज़्यादा ठीक ही आया था मेरा।
अच्छा। और आगे आप कौन सी डिग्री टारगेट कर रहे हो?
वैसे तो मैंने सोचा इकोनॉमिक्स ऑनर्स से और साथ में CS।
Which subjects top you appeared for?
I appeared for English and general test today.
And how was the difficulty level of both the papers?
Actually, English was moderate level, and the time allotted was, I think, sufficient according to that. But according to general test, I think the time was not sufficient, and the questions were lengthy, especially in quant and logical reasoning.
And if we talk about which board are you from?
I'm from CBSE.
So if you compare the questions with CBSE board, was it difficult or somewhat similar?
Somewhat similar, I think. In the CBSE board, there's a mixture of questions. They are easy to, they are moderate, and 1-2 difficult questions. But the overall question paper in GT was moderate. English was easy to moderate.
Which college and university you want to take admission and which course if you
I'm
want to?
aiming for mainly for BCom honors in North Campus Delhi University.
North Campus Delhi
And,
University.
Yeah, I'm also aiming for Shahid Sukhdev for BMS and BBFI.
Okay. Were there any technical glitch also?
No, because it was OMR, so we have to physical, mark the answers and all. As compared to the previous, no technical difficulties were there as such.
Saksham Upadhyay.
Saksham, which papers did you appear for?
जनरल टेस्ट एंड इंग्लिश।
How was the difficulty level?
लेंदी था।
If we talk about English, maximum questions were from which topic?
पैसेज।
Passage. Okay, and for GT?
The difficult part was the general knowledge and math was a little bit lengthier.
Which course and university you are looking for?
Delhi University management courses.
Are there some more subjects that you will be appearing for in CUET?
No.
Okay. And were there any technical glitch or anything?
No. Just a little bit management issues were there. Like the teachers were coming before the time. Like that.
Okay.
And interruption was being by the teachers.
Okay. Thank
My name is Ratnika Mishra.
And which subjects did you appear for?
For general test and English.
How was the difficulty level of both the papers?
English was moderate, not so hard, but general test is hard and high level.
Okay. And you're from which board?
I'm from CBSE board.
So if we compare the questions with CBSE, was it difficult or it was almost similar kind of questions that you
No,
got?
it's little bit of difficult from CBSE because CBSE made the paper as per the students level, but it's for university level. So
And which topics had maximum number of questions in English if you want to talk?
English is about for grammars and general test is mostly mathematics and current affairs. History was not included at all.
And which subject which course you want to take admission and which university?
BCom honors from SRCC.
SRCC, that's great. Were there any technical glitch also in the exam or is it totally smooth?
No.
My name is Yavi.
Which subjects did you appear for?
I appeared for English and general test.
And how was the overall difficulty level?
English was easy, like it was super easy, but general test was comparatively hard, like it was from medium to hard level, I would say. Reasoning section was easier, but that GK portion came from like all of the areas, so it was sort of tough.
So if you compare it, which board are you from?
ISC.
ISC. So if you compare with board questions, was it difficult or somewhat similar?
English, I would say similar. General test, sort of difficult, not much, but yeah.
Okay. Maximum questions were from which topic or section if you want to say?
In general test?
Yeah, in general English both.
In general test, we had like all the quantitative reasoning questions and logical ones. And in English it was so like all simple basic paragraph questions and antonyms question, opposite ones. So that was it.
Were there any technical glitch also?
No.
Do you have some more subjects for CUET exam?
No, not yet.
Okay. And which college and university you are looking for?
Right now, I'm looking for, I would say, Lady Event.
Okay.